Let's take a quiz in which we'll take a look at an example of a critical section. The critical section that we will look at corresponds to a critical section in a toy shop, similar to the toy shop examples that we looked at. In the toy shop, there will be new orders that will be coming in, as well as there will be orders for repairs of toys that have already been processed, so like old orders that need to be revisited. Only a certain number of threads, a certain number of workers will be able to operate in the toy shop at any given point of time. So there will be a mutex, orders mutex, that controls which workers have access to the toy shop, basically which orders can be processed. The toy shop has the following policy. At any given point of time, there can be up to 3 new orders processed in the toy shop. In addition, if there is up to only 1 new order being processed, then any number of requests to service old orders can be handled in the toy shop. The code shown in this box describes the critical section entry code that's executed by the workers performing new orders. As expected, we first log the mutex and then check a condition, and this condition must correspond to this policy. Depending on this condition, on this predicate, we determine whether the new order can go ahead and be processed in the toy shop, or if we must wait. With the wait statement, we use a condition variable, newCon, as well as we include the mutex because, as we mentioned, a mutex must be associated with a wait statement so that it can be atomically released. The predicate statement that we must check on before determining whether a thread will wait or can proceed is missing. For this quiz, you need to select the appropriate check that needs to be made in order to enter the critical section. There are 4 choices given here. You should select all that apply.